Attendance is such a top priority for our district. Making sure that we can account for students accurately, specifically with subs and split list, let's take advantage of the verification sheets and sub rosters.
3, 2, 1, yeah.
Welcome to a Byte of Tech. Let's dive in.
Verification sheets give admin the feature to confirm, print, and have teachers verify attendance. This can be a great asset for auditing purposes and state reporting. In addition to this, those same sheets can be transformed into a roster for substitutes to take easy and accurate attendance. Here from our homepage, let's go ahead and click on the attendance icon to bring up the attendance menu. Once you select that menu, you're going to click on Verification Sheets and Sub-Rosters. This navigates to the Verification Sheets sub-roster screen where verification sheet options display. You can select a teacher by typing their name in this filter box, or you can check all visible if you need to print for all, clear the selected, or you can go in here and choose individual teachers by putting the blue box next to their name. Next, select a period from the drop-down. You can select one, multiple, or all periods as needed. You also have the feature here to check all visible if you'd like to select all at one time, and if you make a mistake, you can clear selected by choosing that option. Next, we're going to enter a time frame for which you need the verification sheet for attendance. This can be set to a future date. You can click in these boxes to use the calendars provided in order to select the correct dates. The next step is to select a mode. We have two options here, one page per class and one page per class with empty, absent, present, and tardy columns. If you're wanting to get accurate attendance without mistaking letters, I would click on the one page per day per class that have the dedicated columns to check for absent, present, and tardy. I'll show an example of this in the preview. Next, select your preferences from the extra section. Page breaks are nice to have between each section when printing for the teacher or a sub. Print teacher signature line is very important if you're wanting that true verification for attendance. This way, this will print a line at the bottom and you can see who signed for accurate reporting. We also have some different features on here. If you want to hide the student IDs when printing and just display their names, you can select that from here. And then we're going to look at the student name format. You've got a couple different options here, but the last name, first, and nickname might be a good idea if you're printing these for a sub. When you're done making your selections, go ahead and press preview to make sure you have the information you want. The standard information will show here, such as the course, period, and teacher name, as well as all of the student names. We do not have student IDs because we chose not to display them. We did make our time frame for 2 days, so you'll see here those 2 days listed for that teacher. And since we selected one page per day with the columns needed, you'll see those absent, present, and tardy columns, which makes the marking clear and easy to interpret. When you are done, click on Return to Focus to go back to the previous screen, make changes if you need to, or go ahead and move forward with printing. Once print is selected, it will generate the pages that you have requested with your preferences. You'll see here that the teacher's signature line and date now appears. That does not show previously in the regular preview screen. It only shows when you click print. You will also see in the top right the generation date and time. And you'll see all of the preferences we've selected are listed here, such as the date. We also chose to include the absent, present, and tardy columns for more precise recording. In the top right, you have two options. You can download if you'd like, or go ahead and press the icon for printing if you're ready. With the ability to select multiple teachers and periods, as well as add that teacher signature line and the absent, present, and tardy columns, absent verification sheets and sub-rosters make taking attendance easier.
3, 2, 1.
Stick around to check out our additional videos or hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on our new content.